welcome to my channel. I'm Ashley Morris, the owner and lead tutor at amtutors.com. And in this video, we are going to talk about the distributive property. So the distributive property is really helpful when we are simplifying expressions or solving equations. And we have stuff inside of the parentheses and another number on the outside. So the parenthesis tells us that we are multiplying. Some people like to go in and draw a dot to remind themselves that they are multiplying. I do not use an X for multiplying at this point in math because is this X a multiply or is it a variable? If we only use the dot for multiply or parentheses, then we know this is always a variable. So I will not be using an X for multiply. Let's distribute. That means we take this 4 and we multiply it to everything inside the parentheses. So the 5x, the negative 5x, that's one piece. Then there's a plus sign. Then there's a 6. That 6 is the other piece. We look for the pluses and minus signs to separate the pieces. They're called terms. So 4 times negative 5x. 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. And then the x just rides along with us. 4 times 6 is 24. It's still a positive, so we do a plus sign. Same thing down here. We take this number, it's a negative 3. I'm going to circle it so that I remember to take that negative with me. And we multiply negative 3 times 6 and negative 3 times that negative 2x. Remember, we're looking for terms, and the terms are separated by a plus or a minus sign. Negative 3 times 6 gives me negative 18. Negative 3, this is a minus, so we can put that minus with a 2 and call it a negative 2. Negative 3 times negative 2 gives me a plus 6, positive 6, and then the x just comes with me. When we're multiplying, we just multiply the coefficients. The 3 and the 2 get multiplied, and then the x just comes along for the ride. While you're learning this, and even now, like I usually draw my arrows too, just because it helps me make sure I don't miss anything, all right? Be careful with your negative signs. That can mess people up. But if you circle it and draw arrows, that eliminates like so many of the problems that I see when people are learning this. So try to do that at least at the beginning. If you have more questions, please reach out to us at amtutors.com. We have certified math teachers that are ready to set up some tutoring sessions with you to get you some extra help. Also, make sure you like and subscribe so you always get the latest and greatest math content when we post it. Have a great day.